Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to fix WhatsApp screen setting not working on iPhone. Recently, many iPhone users have complained that WhatsApp screen setting isn't working on their devices. This frustrating issue occurs due to many reasons. Thankfully, you can resolve this issue with some pretty handy fixes. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, I will recommend you to enable the required permissions for WhatsApp. It's worth pointing out that WhatsApp relies on many important permissions like camera and microphone to share your screen during video calls. So make sure you have allowed WhatsApp to access your camera, microphone, and other important components. Just head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the apps option. After that, you have to find WhatsApp and select it. And then you have to enable microphone, camera, and background app refresh. Then we have to swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring up the app switcher. After that, we have to swipe up the WhatsApp card to force key the app. And then you have to restart your iPhone. And once your iPhone has rebooted, launch WhatsApp and try a new video call. And then you have to attempt to share your screen to find out if the issue is gone. Next up, I will recommend you to check your internet connection. Note that screen setting requires a strong and stable connection with sufficient upload speed. Therefore, ensure that your internet connection is up to the mark. Turn on the airplane mode for 5 seconds and then disable it. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network instead of mobile data. And if using Wi-Fi, restart your router. And yes, make sure to avoid downloading large files during calls. Go to the Settings app Cellular and ensure that WhatsApp is allowed to use data if on mobile data. Then I will recommend you to disable the low power mode and reduce background restrictions. Low power mode limits performance and can seriously interrupt screen sharing. Therefore, make sure to disable this feature. Just head over to the Settings app on your device and then choose Battery. After that, you have to head over to the power mode and disable both adaptive power mode and the low power mode. Then you have to go back and open General Background App Refresh. And then you have to ensure that Background App Refresh is enabled for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then you have to restart the app and begin sharing your screen again. Make sure WhatsApp and iOS are updated on your iPhone. Running an older version of iOS or WhatsApp may cause screen sharing features to malfunction. Just head over to the App Store and then you have to tap on your profile located at the top right. Then you have to scroll down to find WhatsApp and hit the update option located right next to it. Then we have to launch Settings app and choose General. After that, select Software Update, and then you have to go ahead to download and install the latest version of iOS on your device. And finally, I would recommend you to reinstall WhatsApp. If nothing has helped you fix the screen sharing problem, it would be better to reinstall the app because it has the knack of fixing complex or persistent problems. But before doing that, make sure to back up your chats. Just open WhatsApp and then you have to head over to its settings. Then you have to choose the chats option. Then you have to select the chat backup option. And then you have to hit backup now option and allow all the chats to be securely backed up. And then you have to delete the app from the home screen or the app library. After that, head over to the App Store and reinstall WhatsApp. And then you have to sign in and restore your chat history. And then you have to start a video call and check if screen setting works properly. Hopefully, the issue should be resolved and the screen setting should be back in full action. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.